Hey, you're not crawling into your next season, but you're about to fly into it with new strength. Isaiah 40:31 says, those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. God is giving you fresh oil, fresh power, and a fresh anointing. Old strength won't carry new battles. Old fire won't fuel new victories. You're not stuck in yesterday's struggles, but you're stepping into tomorrow with power. 2 Corinthians 4:16 tells us we are being renewed day by day. God's not asking you to fake it. He's asking you to receive it. New battles, new strength, new doors, new anointing. Type new strength if you're ready to move different in this season. Follow for more faith that fuels the fight, because this is your season to fly. God bless you.